We're on lesson 160 for phonics and language. Look at part A. Drag. We need to add the suffix ing and ed or d. Dragging. Because we have a short vowel and one G, we have to double the G before adding ing for dragging. Drag, double the G, and then add ing. Dragging. Same thing, before we add any suffix, we have to double the G. And then add ed, dragged. Step. Before adding any suffix to step, let's look. We have a short vowel and one consonant. Therefore, we have to double that consonant before adding ing or ed. Stepping. Stepping. And stepped. Double the P before adding ed. Stepped. Trade. Is a short vowel? No. So A is a long vowel and it has a silent E. So before adding ing, we have to drop the E. Trading. Notice we dropped the E. We don't have an E here. And traded. Trade. Get rid of the E before adding ed. If we don't get rid of the E, then we'll have two E's here. We would have trade and then ed, and that would not be traded. So that's why we drop the E before adding ed. I am going to read to you some information, and I want you to choose which one of these words is correct. Before we do that, let's read the words. Definition. Definition. Parts of speech. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Entry word. Guide words. Sample sentence. These are the words the dictionary tells us about. Which words here are the words that a dictionary tells us about? Entry word. The entry word is the word that you find, that you're looking for. These are the words at the top of each dictionary page that help us find the entry word. What are the names of the words at the top of the dictionary page? Guide words. Guide words are at the top of the dictionary page. This part of the entry tells us what job the word has in a sentence. What job the word has in the sentence? Oh, is the word a noun, an adjective, an adverb? The parts of speech tell us what the job of the word is in the sentence. Parts of speech tell us whether it's a noun, a verb, an adverb, or an adjective. This part of the entry tells us how to say the word correctly. How to say the word correctly. Pronunciation. This part of the entry gives an example of how to use the word. This gives an example of how to use the word. Sample sentence. Sample sentence shows us how to use the word. And this part of the entry tells us about what the word means. What the word means. The definition. Go ahead and do lesson 160, seat work and classwork.